Good morning, children. You have worked with basic SQL commands in your previous class and used database MySQL. This chapter will talk about some SQL commands in detail. Let us begin with our discussion on aggregate functions. You have already learned aggregate function in detail. However, let me summarize it. Commonly used aggregate functions such as average, count, max, min, sum, etc. Average function, AVG function. This function computes the average of the given data. Next, count. Returns the total number of values or records in a given column or expression. Next, max. This function returns the highest value from a given column or expression. Min returns the lowest value from the given column or expression. Next, sum function returns the sum of values in given column or expression. Let us start how aggregate function works in MySQL. Password root. To get started on our database, we can first check which databases currently exist in MySQL server. Its command show database. Show databases. MySQL school test. I have already created database school MySQL test information scheme and creates table student and employee. So I open the database school. Its command use school database changed. Next command select star from table name student. This command will display all the rows from the table student. Let us now learn about some examples of aggregate functions. Calculate average marks of all students listed in the table student. Let's go SQL server. Password root. I open the database school. Then question, calculate average marks of all students listed in the table student. Query, select AVJ of marks from table student. This command displays the average of all the marks in the table student. Next question. Count the number of records in the table student. Number of records means number of rows. Let's query, select count star from table student. Displays total number of rows. Next, select count of stream from student. This command displays total number of streams from the table student. 1, 2, 3 stream 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Next, select count distinct stream from student. This command displays the number of streams from the table student, ignoring duplicate values. Streams, science, commerce, humanities and vocational. Next question, display maximum marks from table student. Maximum marks is 98. Its query, select max marks from student. Here displays maximum marks from student table. Next, display minimum marks from student table. Display minimum marks from student table. 70. Minimum marks 70. Select min of marks from student. Displays minimum marks from student table. Next, display the sum of marks in the table student. Display the sum of all the marks in the table student. Its query, select sum of marks from student. Let us now learn group by clause. Group by clause combines all those records that have identical values in a particular field or a group of fields. For example, to display name and stream and count the total number of students who have secured more than 90 marks according to their stream. Its query, select name, stream, count star from student where marks greater than 90 group by stream. In this query displays that count the records and marks greater than 90. The groups are formed on the basis of stream. From this output, you can make out that in stream science and marks greater than 90, there is only one student, and so on. Next, having clause. Having clause is used in combination with the group by clause. It can be used in a select statement to filter the records by specifying a condition which a group by returns. Having clause is added in SQL where keyword could not be used in aggregate functions. Group by clause is used in select statement to divide tables into groups. This clause can be explained with reference to the table student. The rows can be divided into 4 groups on the basis of the column stream. One group of rows belongs to science stream, another belongs to commerce stream, third group belongs to humanities stream, and the fourth belongs to vocational stream. Thus, by using group by clause, the rows can be divided on the basis of the stream column. Let's go SQL Server and implement having clause. Select stream, sum of marks from student group by stream having sum of marks greater than or equal to 180. In this output, sum of marks for vocational stream is less than 180. So that vocational stream does not display. If any aggregate function is to be used after the from clause in a select statement, then instead of where clause, having clause should be used. Another command, select stream, comma, min of marks, comma, max of marks from student group by stream having sum of marks greater than or equal to 180. This command displays stream-wise minimum marks and maximum marks whose sum of marks greater than 180. Thus we have come to end of this chapter. Today we have learned aggregate functions, group by clause and having clause. We need to keep in mind that having clause must followed by group by clause. Thank you.